Hello, my name is Swissbianco. We are here at IWA 2012 in Nürnberg, Germany, and that is the Victorinox booth in Halle 5. I will quick do an overview. Starting on this side, we have the different color paring knives, kitchen knives. Over here we have the color Alox Cadet, the European limited edition. 4,000 sets like this will be made. That's it. Red, black, blue, orange and silver with the grey logo. I will make a detailed video a bit later, and what is brand new are those two knives. Especially the scales. In this kind of light we don't see it that well, but I will make a detailed video on those two. That is dual fused, brand new, with black and orange, with a printed on silver colored Victorinox logo. So that is brand new. I'm really excited. Orange I love a lot. As we go around the booth, we see, Guten Morgen. Good morning. We see some more new kitchen knives with colorful handles. That's brand new too. And here we have what we call a Messerblock for kitchen knives. That is a prototype. It's not finished yet like this. You see the logo is not flush fit yet. It's a metal logo that is inlaid in the block. What is really cool about it, it's partially open, the slots. That means you can easily clean the slots out for keep it clean, and the point is with closed wood, if you put a dirty knife in it, there is all kind of bacteria going in, and it's a mess. So that's a clever idea. We have some new classic for this year, just the prints, different prints. The other knives are pretty much basic, what we already had. I'm not sure about that leather sheet, if that was already out or not. And then we go over here. They did bring the perfumes with them too. And here we see again the different color of the paring knife, the kitchen knives. Those are really nice. Basic Swiss item. Everybody in Switzerland use it in the kitchen and for eat or for picnic. So what they did is go further from red, black and blue colors to the more neon colors, the yellow, pink, green and orange. I love the orange one. I did make a couple Kydex sheets for it too, so you can use it as a picnic knife, so it's safe even outside of the kitchen. Then we go around here. Pretty much what was before, except the Cadet edition that I already did tell about. That comes with leather sheets. So this Cadet version has no split ring. It has a leather sheet. The leather sheet has no belt loop. It's basically designed that you carry it inside your pocket, so the knife is clean and safe. The terabyte memory stick is not here. I will try to make a video in eBach as I'm back. Here we see the classics with the new prints. Behind here we see, yeah, the middle one is the opposite side. You see there is a little bit of a slot in the box that you see the color from the sheet. Clever packaging. I will make a detailed video a little bit later today. There we have some more kitchen knives in the colors. Yeah, that pretty much was it. That is new and exciting from Victorinox, from the EVA 2012. As usually, pretty nice big boot.